Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm gonna explain you how database first is working in a ASP.NET Core Web API. So I have created on a Web API HBP. HBP stands for Healthcare Billing Portal. So you can see this is in a basic API. So I have only one controller. This is a basic controller by default. Uh, it is created. So now how uh, our in an entity framework core we have the code first approach and database first approach. So I will explain database first approach. So I have the database. So this is my server. In the server I have the HBP healthcare billing portal database. So I have the tables, appointment, app user, and audit log, and all of the tables here. It is there. So I'm coming to here in the API. I'm going to here file. No, I'm going to in a view. So go to the other windows and package manager console. Placed it here in a package manager console. Check first. It is in the HB. It is in the project, your project. So I have multiple projects in one solution. So I have selected this HBP. So here write the query, write the command. So I already wrote the command for it. So db .NET EF or db context scaffold. I'm copying here. So look how what it will do. Before that, you can you install the entity required entity framework ORM, NuGet packages. So in my case, I'm using the MS SQL ORM. So I have installed the SQL Server, Microsoft dot entity framework code dot SQL Server NuGet package. So if you're in a entity framework core database, this is in a database provider. You can use different database providers like SQLite and MS SQL, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. So I'm here selected that .NET EF DB context scaffold. Then I will enter the connection string. This is my connection string. In a connection string, it has the server and a desktop. Okay. In a connection string, it has the server and database and trusted connection. And select the uh, database provider. In my case, I'm using the MS SQL, so I'm using this Microsoft dot entity framework code dot SQL server database provider, and then I'm using this output there will generate in a models folder, and in that model folders we place the our yeah, model classes. So each table created one model class. So we have this many tables. So from here, this with these names and models is created and relations also mapped. And what is context data is so context data. So context file is placed in the data folder. It created a data folder and placed in. What is a context name is that it is created the building db context as name. You whatever you can mention here, whatever context name you wanted, you can give here. So forgot about this. I will explain this later. So copy one by one. Yeah, we how it started building. So I was stopped that pipeline. So we'll make changes here. I'm entering the database. HBP trusted connection to and use this multiple result sets and multiple active result sets true and trust server certificate true, and then select your database provider. I'm copying the database provider and pasting here, and then select your model folder. Models is placed in this models folder. So select the context folder. Mention the context folder. Context dir means directory. So it is, and then name the context. So now execute. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, the issue is here. The double quotes here, and here we forgot to mention double quotes. Oh, so it will get error. So I am removing that, and again I'm placing. Now I'm executing. You can now able to see here. You will get a models folder, and you can see here model folder is generated. Model folder is generated and data folder is generated. So in a model folder you can see the all the classes is all the classes is shown here. All the classes is created. This is a reverse engineering we are doing here. So you can see mm, same same likewise you can see here building db context is created, context file is created. So you can here see db set means in it mapping with the database tables, app users and appointments, audit logs. These are all of the tables is created. Here you can see use SQL server is created this, and here it is mapping is done here. Every entity the mapping is done. So you can see here. So created has in see has primary key. Has key means it is a primary key, and two table means app user. As index it is an index is created. So this all of the mapping is done here.